This is the drum machine that we'll be using for the worship service for the drummers, musicians, and singers. The click track will come through the Avion channel 16 and will be controlled by the drummer. This is just the basic instruction of how to turn the unit on and how to use it in pattern mode. On the back of the machine is how you turn it on. The back left hand side, there's a power button. You just push it in and you'll see the actual display light up. When the unit first comes on, it actually comes on in drum kit mode, and we want to change it to pattern mode. So what we're going to do is hit the number 1 key over here, which is the preset user. That will change it into click track mode, and as you look, you can see there's actually 4A, click 1. These are patterns that have been pre-programmed in here. Right now there are a total of 7 that are pre-programmed for drummers, so if you want to have a different one that you choose each time, or one that you can just change the tempo throughout all the songs in the service, that's perfectly fine, but they're kind of catered to you. As you scroll through, you'll see the actual name changes. It is associated with the pattern number and also the tempo that is currently associated with that pattern. Scroll all the way to number 7, you'll see us at tempo 123, again pattern number 7, and the name is 68 2-tap. Some of them have cowbells, some of them have shakers, so you have your choice of using those. If you scroll forward, from 10 forward is where we're going to be programming all the songs with the tempos that they need to be at, with a preset pattern and also a preset tempo, so these will not need to be changed. Again, this pattern number over here is actually going to be associated with the pattern itself, so we have the option on this particular drum machine to go all the way up to 99 patterns. So what we can do is program all the songs in here, and once we get a catalog of all the songs, you can actually access those patterns by hitting this number pad over here. For example, I think we have number 18 is programmed in here. If I hit 1-8, it actually is the song Stronger. It's already preset for tempo 73, and all you have to do is hit play, and it automatically starts. If the tempo needs to be changed for any reason, if you hold down the tempo button, you can roll the scroll key and you'll see the numbers actually change. And to stop it, all you got to do is just let it go. Again, to change it back, hold the tempo button down and scroll forward, and you'll see it'll change. You'll also notice that the pad is blinking over here. These are actually all the sounds that are playing associated with this pattern. The tap tempo light will blink at the tempo as well, so visually you can see that. Once you're done playing the song or near the end of the song, just hit stop, and it'll actually stop and come back to the pattern. That's the basic instruction of how to get through the patterns. Again, if you want to use one of your own, you can scroll all the way back to the front and come to the 4 click A, B, and C's, and basically those are just standard patterns that you can run from there. So if you wanted to use one of those, you could hit play, and if it's too fast, hold the tempo button, scroll the key back, you'll see the tempo will change, and then you have your tempo. So that's the basic instruction of the unit. If for any reason you hit a button and you get into a menu you do not want to be in, just simply turn the unit off and turn it back on again, and basically that will reset it back to where it was originally. So just in case you accidentally hit a button, that is an option. And that's the basic use of the drum machine. Thank you.